suffer from obsessive compulsive disorder. I have to say touch wood almost after every second line, and even worse, I go in search of it. So my sister wisely said, why don't I get more wood in my house? And it's exactly why I'm here, and I hope everything goes well and I find what I'm looking for. Touch wood. I'd heed my sister's advice and set out on a hunt to find a place that sells genuine wooden furniture. 3 days into my search, and I realized that authentic wooden furniture is a rarity. But then it struck me. A little birdie once told me about this one place, called it a wooden haven in fact. Now I recollect. Indica Creations.
I started Indica Creations 12 years ago when the need to furnish my own home arose. When I came back from abroad, I had no furniture at home, just a dining table and a hall set. And I had a large home where I wanted to fill up. So I went on to search in shops, but never found what I really needed. So I picked up some furniture that was old, some of them broken, and I started restoring them for my own home. With one carpenter, one polisher, I started this on the veranda of my house.
Indica Creations is all about wood, and their driving force is their passion behind it. And they believe that you can do anything with wood. Let's go see how. When I think of wooden furniture, the image that is conjured up in my head is that of a nice little house. And who doesn't dream of a place of their own? It's obvious that we all want our dream houses to be unique, or at the least, neat and well done. And an aspect that could help you in this is furnishing. It's furnishing that adds style, glamour and comfort to your house and transforms it into a home. It's not easy to be in a business that deals with wood, especially with stiff opposition against the shedding of trees. But Indica Creations need not worry. They don't buy new wood, instead they use recycled wood, just like the chaise longue, or in Indian terms, a divan. We all live under this belief that the use of wood translates into deforestation. But there are more eco-friendly options that exist. You could use recycled wood or even restore your old furniture. It's these alternatives that form the basis of Indica Creations. So if I pick up furniture from here, it's a given that I would feel less guilty without compromising on quality or choice. Their furniture range from house desks, armchairs to dining tables and sofa sets. Though I'm here to pick up contemporary furniture, I'm getting a little carried away with the vintage ones. Indica Creations gives life to old furniture. They say that restoration of old furniture restores the past and puts us in touch with our culture and tradition. The sad part is, antique pieces can burn a big hole in your pocket. But no worries, as you could just opt for the reproductions of classical furniture. Picking the right furniture is never an easy task. This is where you eat together, laugh together and share everlasting moments with your friends and family. Whether it's a dressing table, a queen-size cot or a simple stool, it's on them that you create memories that last you a lifetime. I am definitely not going to compromise on that. Each piece at this store involves high quality of craftsmanship and the efforts of many carvers, carpenters, weavers and polishers. It's their time and commitment that goes into making each piece exceptional, and the detailing like glass work, cut work, wood lace work tempts me to just buy it without even a thought. And their rose and teak wood pieces make it even harder to resist.
I know customers who walk in to my store come back repeatedly because they like the way I finish. I custom build to their needs. I sit with them and think with them and produce what they really want. So people always come back. Somehow all my customers come back to me.
But I have to let this one pass, as vintage furniture is not what suits my need, though I find it very beautiful. What I need is something more modern. It is extremely important that your house and the decor adapt to your changing lifestyle. So if you're in for some contemporary furniture, Indica Creations can modify your furniture to suit your requirements. Why wood? Well, it's durable, is easy to maintain, has aesthetic value and is great value for money. Apparently, rose and teak wood have natural oils in them which make them pest resistant, and I must add, it feels like royalty. Wood is a high-performance material. It's lightweight and has superb weight-bearing abilities. But the selling point is that it's easy to maintain and is economical. Leaving all this aside, why I specifically like it is because it has utility value and can make me feel very royal. I came here to pick up something to cater to my touchwood needs. But after taking a look around this place, I don't just need furniture, but want an entire house made of only wood. And for that, I need to start shopping right now.